Hi, this is Brad with Thorogood. Today we're looking at the quick release station boot with translucent bottom. The quick release station boot by Thorogood features full grain leather upper, removable single density polyurethane footbed, a composite shank, and features direct attach construction. The translucent mini-lug outsole is also non-marking. Available in both soft toe and comp toe that is also EH rated and puncture resisting. If you're looking for a quality boot that's easy to get on and off, check out the quick release station boot with translucent bottom by Thorogood.